Hey guys, welcome back to Modern Reviews. Today I have the Red Tiger F7n Pro. This is a budget Amazon dash cam, and some important info about this one is this is a 4K front dash cam and then a 1080p dash cam in the back. Now, I will say I am a little bit biased in this review. I do have the F7n, the standard version, as my daily drive dash cam, and that's because this dash cam is just 2 channels, so it doesn't have a camera pointing into the vehicle, which honestly I kind of like. So here's a quick look at the device. It does come with the SD card. You've got a power button and then a menu button and some up and down arrows. So this is a 64GB Lexar card, plenty to have. I don't even download the apps when I get these Amazon dash cams. I just record straight to the micro SD, and then if anything ever happens, a wreck happens, I need to look at the camera, I just pull out the SD card and plug it into my PC. So this does come with an attachable mount right here, and it just attaches on via a sticky tab on the top there, covered in red. You do have 2 extra sticky pieces in case the mounting goes wrong or you need to remount it, and I found that stickiness to be plenty. So this is a cigarette lighter, USB-C powered, like most of these cameras, and then the backup camera is a aux cord powered camera. You can see right there. Plenty of wire to get to the back of the vehicle. Comes with a crowbar to tuck the wires behind the lining of the doors, and then a couple stick-on kind of clips that you can run across the ceiling if you want. And here are those extra sticky pieces I mentioned. So everything you need is in the box. Setup is super easy. I'm not even going to use the app in this video, like I said. Once you set it up, and I'll go through the settings right here, but once you set it up, it basically starts recording right out of the box. So super easy setup. Just plug it in and turn it on, and it is recording to the device. So let's do a quick little drive around. I decided to show it off at dusk because that's a much more difficult time for these cameras to kind of perform. So this is on sale for $118 right now, down from $190, so pretty good sale if you catch it at the right time. And some people may ask, do you need the rear camera? And in my opinion, yes, because the other day I had someone kind of swerve into me and almost hit me, and I was actually able to get their license plate as they drove past me. My backup camera caught it, so it's pretty nice for that. Now I will have a link to this camera down below, and also my playlist of other dash cams. If you are going to buy one, it would be super appreciated if you could use my link. It is a referral link and helps out the channel, so check out my dash cam playlist.